What's the difference between a top producing agent and another run-of-the-mill agent? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 3 tips that have helped establish Tom Ferry to be that top producing agent in his book, Mindset, Model, and Marketing. My name is Matthew Kelly. I'm a digital marketer that helps real estate agents grow and nurture their database online through video marketing. I post videos here every Thursday around personal development, real estate, and marketing. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss out on any future videos, and smash the like button if you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's talk about the 3 tips I've learned from Mindset, Model, Marketing. The first golden nugget I learned that separates top producing agents from another one of those just standard, regular, run-of-the-mill agents is that top producing agents have a growth mindset that they implement on a daily basis. So there's really 3 things that Tom suggests that you do today to ensure that you have a growth mindset moving forward. One is to have a daily ritual where you spend at least 15 to 30 minutes a day reading a book or reading articles or watching YouTube videos online, educating and improving yourself. The second tip that Tom suggests that you do is to attend quarterly immersion events. So these are events or conferences that are around your industry or around other industries that you can pull relevant information to your industry in. And then the third option that Tom suggests is a private coaching, which you can either do through himself or through other people that have achieved the results that you are looking to achieve. Tip number 2 that Tom talks about is that all top producing agents know their number. When we look at this equation here, the first thing you need to understand is what is your transaction goal for the year. Then multiply that transaction goal by the number of conversations you need to have in order to make a sale. The national average is 50. Once you understand the total number of conversations, divide that by 10 months. Then from there, divide it by the number of working days in each month you wish to have. That there is the number of conversations you need to produce on a daily basis in order to hit your transaction goal. Once you know your daily number, you can get started today ensuring you meet all your conversations that you need to have on a daily basis. Once this number has been established, you'll start to see the benchmarks of what your conversion rate is, how many conversations you need to in order to get a sale. So then you can look to improve each of these individual areas through various different marketing tactics. One of the first things you should start optimizing for is the number of conversations it needs to take you in order to close a client. As if you get this number down, you'll be more effective with your time. And Tom suggests a couple of different things you can start doing today to help decrease the number of conversations you need to make. Number 1 is have appointment setting routine, as a routine is extremely important to ensure consistency along the long haul. The second tactic Tom recommends is that you call your easy shots first, as this will help get the ball rolling and give you more confidence, which will be shown in later conversations throughout the day. The third tip Tom recommends is to be more assumptive in your language, assuming you have already closed the deal. And the fourth tip Tom recommends you do today is to close, as if you don't close, it's just plain awkward for everybody on the phone. The final tip I'm going to be sharing today from this book is the Power of 5 rule. And this is the rule that Tom talks about every top producing agent does. And that is they do 5 hours of prospecting every week. They have a minimum of 5 open houses every month, and they follow up with each of their leads of a minimum of 5 times. As only about 6% of leads are contacted on the first contact, where over 70% convert after the 5th. So if you install the Power of 5 rule, understanding what your daily number is and having a growth mindset will ensure that you've turned yourself from just another one of those agents into a top producing agent that dominates in your city. Overall, I rate this book a 7 out of 10 and would recommend it for anyone that is involved within the real estate niche, as this is a great book whether you're starting out to just understand what the mindset and what it takes to be a top producing agent, or if you've already started, how to take your business and your real estate team to the next level. So I hope you've enjoyed this book review. If you did, make sure to smash a like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos that I post here every Thursday around personal development, real estate, and marketing. Now off to the side, you can see some videos that YouTube recommends and thinks you would enjoy.